my channel. So in this video I'm gonna talk about how to earn money from freelancing platform, digital marketing. So how you can earn money from digital marketing. There are plenty of services you can provide on the freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork.com, and there are plenty of other platforms you can provide digital marketing services there and earn money from digital marketing. So you can earn money from digital marketing. Everything, internet has brought everything in one place, so you can earn money with within the comfort of your home. One of the most common question, or you can make money by providing digital marketing services. So digital marketing services include mobile marketing, search, SEO, search engine optimization is a big thing, and combination of many steps to get a final result. So SEO professional is to optimize the website pages with the targeted keywords to ensure the maximum visitors and higher ranking of a website. So they will provide these services and earn money from this. They help the companies to rank their website high on the internet, and they will charge for that. So web designing is the other services you can provide. It's a good, so you can provide the web designing services on the internet and make money through web designing. Start selling as an affiliate. There are a lot of resources available for making money online as an affiliate. You can source product from many websites and get a commission on that. Many big companies have their own affiliates program as well. So your you will like Amazon.com. Email marketing is the other services you can provide. You can start a blog as well.